Follow me because by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you spent all this time without knowing this important information. Cumin for flatulence and gas is one of the most overlooked yet incredibly effective natural remedies. You might be spending a fortune on medications and fancy supplements when the solution is sitting right there in your kitchen. Cumin, this humble spice, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, yet so many people are unaware of its magical properties in dealing with bloating and flatulence. Let's dive into why this little spice deserves a permanent place in your diet. Gas and bloating are more than just discomforts. They can ruin your day, make social interactions awkward, and even affect your confidence. Did you know that an average person passes gas around 13 to 21 times a day? It's completely normal, but excessive bloating and gas could indicate digestive issues that need attention. Cumin comes to the rescue with its powerful carminative properties, meaning it helps expel gas from your intestines while also preventing its excessive formation. Scientific studies have shown that cumin stimulates digestive enzymes, which accelerate the breakdown of food and enhance nutrient absorption. A study published in the Middle East Journal of Digestive Diseases found that people who consume cumin regularly experience significant relief from bloating and stomach cramps. Cumin is rich in thymol and essential oils that promote saliva production, aiding digestion from the very first bite. If you've ever felt like your stomach is a balloon about to burst after a meal, cumin might be the simplest and most effective solution. A practical way to use cumin is by making cumin tea. Simply boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water for about 10 minutes. Strain it and drink it warm. This tea works wonders in relaxing your digestive tract and reducing gas buildup. Not only does cumin help with bloating, but it also has impressive anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This means it doesn't just mask the symptoms, but actively fights the root causes of digestive distress. If your bloating is caused by bacterial imbalance in your gut, cumin's natural antimicrobial effects can help restore harmony. You might be wondering if there are any side effects. While cumin is generally safe, consuming it in excessive amounts can cause acid reflux in some individuals. Moderation is key. A teaspoon per day, either as tea or sprinkled over your meals, is usually enough to reap its benefits without any issues. Besides cumin, there are other quick remedies for gas and bloating. Fennel seeds, ginger, and peppermint have similar digestive benefits. Combining cumin with these ingredients can enhance its effects even more. For instance, drinking a mixture of cumin and fennel tea after a heavy meal can help prevent that uncomfortable bloated feeling. So why haven't you tried cumin yet? This tiny spice is packed with so much goodness that it should be your go-to remedy for digestive issues. No need for expensive treatments or medications when nature has already provided the perfect solution. Next time you feel bloated or gassy, reach for cumin instead of an over-the-counter pill. Your stomach will thank you. Don't forget to like this video if you found this information useful, and make sure to check out my previous videos for more amazing health tips. See you in the next one. Just one spice to get rid of gas and bloating. Remedies to relieve bloating. Cumin is a powerful natural remedy for bloating and gas. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, cumin helps improve digestion, reduce bloating, and relieve stomach discomfort. Here are 20 tips and tricks to use cumin effectively and other natural remedies for bloating. Cumin for bloating and gas. 1. Cumin water. For quick relief, boil 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water, strain, and drink to reduce bloating instantly. 2. Chewing raw cumin seeds. Chewing a few cumin seeds after meals stimulates digestion and prevents gas formation. 3. Cumin tea for digestion. Steep a teaspoon of cumin seeds in hot water for 10 minutes and drink after meals. 4. Cumin with honey. Mixing ground cumin with a teaspoon of honey soothes the stomach and relieves bloating. 5. Cumin and yogurt for gut health. Add roasted cumin powder to a bowl of yogurt to promote good digestion. 6. Cumin with lemon water. Drinking cumin-infused lemon water helps detoxify the digestive system and reduce bloating. 7. Cumin and ginger combo. Boil cumin seeds with fresh ginger slices for an extra digestive boost. 8. Cumin and fennel for gas relief. Mix equal parts cumin and fennel seeds, steep in water, and drink for instant relief. 9. Roasted cumin powder for faster digestion. Adding roasted cumin powder to meals enhances digestion and prevents gas. 10. Cumin and black salt for acidity. Mix cumin powder with a pinch of black salt and warm water to relieve stomach acidity. Other remedies to relieve bloating. 11. Ginger tea for gas. Fresh ginger improves digestion and helps reduce bloating naturally. 12. Peppermint tea soothes the stomach. Peppermint relaxes the digestive tract and prevents gas buildup. 13. Fennel seeds for instant relief. Chewing fennel seeds after meals helps eliminate gas and bloating. 14. Lemon and warm water detox. Drinking lemon water in the morning improves digestion and reduces bloating. 15. Chamomile tea for an inflamed stomach. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that relieve bloating and stomach cramps. 16. Apple cider vinegar for digestion. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in warm water aids digestion and reduces bloating. 17. Activated charcoal for absorbing gas. Taking activated charcoal capsules can help absorb excess gas in the intestines. 18. Walking after meals. A short walk after eating stimulates digestion and prevents bloating. 19. Proper hydration prevents water retention. Drinking enough water helps flush out excess sodium and reduces bloating. 20. Avoid carbonated drinks. Soda and fizzy drinks trap gas in the stomach, making bloating worse. By using cumin and these natural remedies, you can quickly relieve bloating and enjoy better digestion.